Okay, so subtracting integers. Okay, so an example, we have negative 26 minus 3. Okay, so they're both negatives. That's what that minus sign tells us, that it's negative. So I could really write this as negative 26 plus negative 3. And what we saw in the first video was when they're both negative, we keep the negative sign and just add them up. So what's 26 plus 3? That's 29, so we get negative 29, okay? You could also see 7 minus negative 37, okay? So we're subtracting a negative. So there's this special rule with integers. If you're subtracting a negative number, it turns into addition. So this is really 7 plus 37. It's this weird rule that the mathematicians came up with, okay? It's something we need to memorize. We have a minus, a negative, it turns to addition. So we do 7 plus 37, and that equals, oh my goodness, 44. Okay. So let's do another one where we have those two minuses. What about negative 32 minus a negative 50? Okay, we have that minus a negative, so that really turns into plus 50. Okay, now they're opposite signs. So we look at the two numbers. Which one's bigger? 50. So our answer must be positive. So we can put a little plus sign, or we could just leave it blank. It doesn't matter. And we need to do 50 minus 32. Okay, Miss Mansfield hasn't had her coffee, so we're going to do it out by hand. So we subtract. We have to borrow from the 5, make that a 4. This becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. So our answer is 18. Okay? So the big thing to remember is when we have a minus and negative, it turns into addition. And then we follow the rules for addition that we saw in the last two videos. Okay? We'll do one more example. Maybe two. Negative 33 minus 39. That's just like the first one we saw. So this is really negative 33 plus negative 39. We know when they're both the same sign, our answer is going to stay negative, and we just add them up. So 33 plus 39, that is 12, carry the 1, negative 72. Okay, one more. 48 minus negative 32. Okay. Oh, we got that minus a negative, so that turns into addition. Then we do 48 plus 32. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 4 plus ends up being 4 is 8. So our answer is 80. Okay, so here's some subtracting integer help.